Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manage pages and layers here in Penpot. Okay, so in Penpot, pages and layers are managed using, here we have the left panel or left sidebar, okay, which helps us organize our designs that work into logical sections, and we can control them individually, or we can control all elements individually. Okay, pages right here at the top serves as a separate tab within a single file. Okay, so this one is useful for separating different stages of a design process or different screen sizes. Okay, let's say you're going to add in some more. Okay, this one is page 1, and in page 2 it will be blank. You can go ahead and add in more stage right here or more content if you want to. Okay, and you can connect one, for example, this FAQ page. When someone clicks on this button, you can go ahead and redirect them from here. Okay, you can rename the page if you want to. Just right click on it and hit on rename, or duplicate, or even delete it. If you want to reorder, just drag and drop. All right, now moving forward to layers. Okay, right here. Layers are located right here at the very bottom. Okay, this is pages. Page 1, all the layers for page 1. Page 2, there are currently no layers. All right, so if you want to rename one, right click and just hit on rename, and you have a ton of options in here. Okay, to reorder, same goes here. Just drag and drop. Okay, let's say I have this one at the top. Okay, now I want it to be at the back of my board. So how do we do that? So just go ahead and select this specific object and move it at the very bottom. Okay, as you can see, that's how you do it. Or if you want it on top, just move it at the top. All right, so of course you can group layers. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in this rectangle, and then I'm going to add in an image, maybe this one. Let's just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, I'm going to move it right here and select both the object and the image. Then I'm going to mask it. So, and then after that, group them. And as you can see here in the left panel, here we have the group, okay? The mask, and under mask, we have the rectangle and the picture. All right, you can lock layers as well. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and lock this one. Just right click on it and unlock, and you won't be able to make a single edit in here, okay? And if you want to make an edit, you're going to have to go to the left panel, right click on the group, or just click on this lock icon. All right, it's now unlocked. You can now move it or add in some more content. That is it. That is how you manage your pages and layers here in Penpot. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.